I ordered a Lionel James last year. Actually, it was in May 30th. So I'm just gonna unbox it today. It's a engine like the Thomas over there. Oh, I forgot. I paid $50 for that engine. So it's new. That's May 30, and today's date is January 22nd. That's a long, how many months? Almost 6-8 months. Oh man. Seller said it was brand new, and he didn't lie. It's brand new. Ooh, excellent. So it's a pretty large box. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, look at that. Brand new, never used. So what a good deal. Look at that sealer. So I need to cut. Amazing. So we have the remote. What is this, a caboose? Oh. We'll take a closer look in a minute. Beautiful plastic. So we have a call card. Awesome. It's nice when you got something new. And here's James. Let me see. This power supply. And here is James standard. Brand new. Wow, I get it for $50. That's a good deal. This was remember, this was about 8 months ago. Look at that. Beautiful. New. Okay, I have a pretty small table, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to set it up, but I can do a couple of tracks as a display. This goes like that. And it comes with one straight track, and I think this is the power track. Yes, Lionel power pack or power supply. Cool. Does anyone know how much this thing weighs? I haven't seen any videos online, so I'm gonna check here. So the remote is about 6 inches and 1/8 long and weighs 89 grams. And takes 3 888 batteries. What a big switch. Now it's on. I need to plug the engine. Very smooth, sensitive and smooth knob. Really nice. Now the brake band or caboose, plastic, metal wheels. Nice. It is Lionel 2013. Awesome. So it weighs 114 grams, and the length is 5 inches 1/16. Just the brake band. I'm not including the couplers. And 2 inches and 1/8 wide, 3.5 inches tall. Very beautiful detail, really nice and awesome. Now this truck is really heavy. I can feel it's heavy. Let's see. It weighs 228 grams. Buffer to buffer, it's 6 inches and 3/4 long, 3 inches 3/4 tall with the coil. It's 2 inches and 5/8 wide, more or less. Beautiful. So this is plastic, but I can see it's heavy, and the wheels are metal. Now James tender or call card. See how much it weighs. 145 grams, 3.5 inches long. I'm not counting the coupler, just the buffer to the wall, to the front of the tender. 2 inches and 3/8 wide, 2 inches and 3/4, pretty close, tall, nice. Wow, James is very heavy, 440 grams, very heavy engine, nice. So the truck, it's metal, the wheels are metal. I think this is plastic. I think it's metal. It's plastic. So the rest is plastic right there. Oh, it moves the eye, moving eyes. Very beautiful details with the handrail. So James is about 6 inches and 1/4 long, 3 inches and a half tall, and 2 inches 5/8 wide. So there is a switch inside. It's in on position. Good, that's good. Now it does look really nice. I like the details. Pretty much good. Pretty good. Look at the eyes, beautiful eyes. It's kind of chunky, compressed boiler. The whole thing is short. It should be long. I don't know why it was designed this way. Not like the Trackmaster engines, you know. We are used. I mean, I'm used to the Trackmaster engines. They are longer, pretty close to accurate. But other than that, it does have the coupling rods. Beautiful. Let's see how it works. So the speaker is in the back and the tender. I need to connect this with the engine there. Ooh, nice. It's a really nice sound, which is really cool. Now here are the buttons. Here's the whistle. Really nice. Really nice. Let's go full. So it's a pretty nice set. Unfortunately, my table is full. Beautiful set for $50. And remember, I bought it about 8 months ago, and it's until today that I have the time to unbox it. Alright, thanks for watching.